Okay, well that was a couple of the 8th graders saying hello. They're a little quiet today. Usually the 8th graders are very loud, but all of you know that. Okay, so this is going to continue on with what we've been doing before. Welcome to Algebra 2, and it is Thursday, March 18th. And sorry about the video yesterday. For some reason the sound didn't come out right, and it was all messed up. So I'm hoping today's video is fine. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the kind of things we've been doing. Number one is you always want to look for GCF and sometimes pull out a -1. Second thing you do is you factor. Third thing you do is cancel, and after you cancel, what's left is your answer. All right, so we're going to take the top and factor that. So the greatest common factor is 6 and 12 is 6. Greatest common factor of p to the third and p is just p. And then what we would have left over is p squared plus 2. If you look at the bottom here, there's p squared plus 2. Since this matches what's in parentheses exactly, and there's a times right here, you can cancel these out to 1. And so my answer for this one is 6p. And I don't think there's anything undefined for that, but we'll just leave it that. So 6p is correct. Okay, the next one right here, everybody really wants very badly to take 3n and divide it by 3n, but you can't do that because of the minus sign. This has no GCF in it. This has no GCF. So to be truthful, this is your answer. You're done. Can't do anything to it. Now, n is not allowed to be 0, because if n was 0, then this whole thing would be undefined. And as we can see, Draco approves of that, so I'm glad that was a close one. That is from Kaylee, just so that you know who did it. All right. Shrek is from Charlotte, just so you guys know who did that. All right, so let's go ahead and go to 3 and 4 up here. Greatest common factor of 3 and 12 is 3. And then this would be x minus 4. This one, the highest degree is negative, so the first thing we need to do is pull out a negative and 1, because that's a GCF. So then this is going to switch around to x squared minus 16. So once we have that, then we can write that this is 3 times x minus 4. This would be -1. Do you remember what I told you to do the -1 yesterday? As I told you to take that -1 and put it right up to the top. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to move the negative up there. And then this factors into x minus 4 and x plus 4. So x minus 4 matches x minus 4 here, so that cancels out to 1. And the final answer is going to be -3 over x plus 4. I'm really hoping I'm not off the screen. Okay, come back to this one. The highest degree is negative, and the GCF is 2. So I want to take a -2 out, and then write x minus 3. So I flip that, but that gives me the same thing. On the bottom, there's a GCF of 2. I don't have to take a negative out because the big first one's positive. So it'll be 2 times x squared minus 2x minus 3. And then this goes into x minus 3 times x plus 1. And I'll bring the 2 down. So now I need to go ahead and do the math. X minus 3 cancels to 1. -2 divided by 2 is a -1. So that goes up on top. And then all that's left is x plus 1 underneath it. And so that is your answer right there. Okay, so that's a quick review. I'm just having you practice this again because I want you to get very good at it. The page number that you need to do is, I have to grab my book. Sorry, I should have been more ready for that. I'm wandering off the screen here. Okay. Okay, you guys need to do page 871. And you're going to go 32 to 51. So I'm going to write it here. I'll put it on your thing too, but page 871, I would just go ahead and put it in the Google Classroom, but you'll see what to do on that. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope this is getting much easier for you as you do more of it. All right, have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. There you go.